doing? I'm Mike for Lovejoy Antiques, Naples.com. Taking a look at a men's Rolex Datejust in solid gold and stainless steel. This is a vintage acrylic Datejust, non-quick set of date adjustment. It is a two-tone gold and stainless jubilee bracelet with 2 removable links, and will fit up to 7 1/4 inch wrist comfortably, not needing any additional. Watch has come back from full inspection and certification from our master watchmaker and is guaranteed to be 100% authentic Rolex. Comes with a full 1-year warranty from Lovejoy Antiques, as well as free shipping via FedEx worldwide. If you have any questions on this watch or any others, feel free to give us a call at the shop at 239-649-7447, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.